Hi Adyan, are you able to see me? Hi Adyan, are you able to see me Adyan?
No, the video's off.
Videos off. Okay. Good. Are you able to see me now?
Yeah,
Okay, good. Can we move on?
yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead. What are they doing in school, Adyan?
Um, on Friday, cause last week, cause of the snow, we were supposed to have a math test, but they moved it to this Friday. And it was about radicals and exponents, like dividing and multiplying them.
You did well?
Yeah, I think I did good.
Oh,
I
that's
think I
nice.
felt like it was easy.
And how about geometric sequences? Was it easy? Did
Yeah.
it? Did you understand geometric sequences?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's see. Algebra 1 EOC. 1 second. Let's try these and then I'll move on, okay? How about this? Let's go ahead and do a couple of review problems again and then we'll move on. Is it
Okay.
okay? Yep. Okay. About this, Adin, this is UOC practice exam test. Let me give you this. Let's see where we are. Based on that, we'll move on. Okay.
Okay.
Can I share my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. You're seeing my screen?
Yeah.
You'll be able to do the problem. It is more of a review. Okay.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
It would be
You
uh
take your time, Adin.
wait, what's
I will.
5 to the power of? I can't see that number. It's blurry.
Oh, it's blurred. Okay. How about this, Adin? Can I make it bigger?
Mm-hmm.
Want it bigger? Is this okay, Adyan?
Yeah. The answer is A for the first one.
Which one? Answer is
A.
why, Adyan?
No, oh no, I'm at B.
Good job. Second one.
Mm.
These are just giving you from a practice UOC test. Okay. Let's see. Let's see how you do. I am just curious. We'll do these 4 questions. It's more of a review. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You got the first one right, Adyan? I'm not sure why the others are not in here. I don't know what are they doing.
I'm doing the second question right now. I'm working it out.
Uh huh. See, the radical questions, at least two, three come in for you. Let's see. You can do the second. No hurry at all, but yeah, do it. Do it slowly, but yeah.
Okay.
Last year, we are reviewing last year. Whatever you learned. Make sense? Okay. Number one, number two, number three goes like that. Do you see it, Lasya? From a EOC practice test, we are reviewing first whatever we have learned till date. Make sense, Lasya? You can study one by one, yes. Last year, I need one help from you. What is the module number we are doing, ma'am? Right now? Do you know the module number in the book? Just tell me the module number.
In the book,
Book, yeah.
the one we're doing,
What, ma'am?
in the one you assigned is homework in.
Yes.
I don't know the module number, but I know it's like the very last few pages.
That I know, lady. Is it 8, 9, 10? I just want to know that.
I'm not sure off the top of my head.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead. I will find it out. Let me know, guys.
Miss Priya, I sent my second answer.
Yes, ma. I found my it's module 12, I think, last year. What are they doing in school, Lasya?
We just started like using radicals.
Sorry, what was that?
We just started using radicals.
Radicals, okay. They
Yeah.
have not taught geometric sequences, right?
No, not yet.
Oh, that's good for me. Good. Go ahead. Let me know.
Miss Priya, I also sent my third answer.
Yep. Checking, ma. Last year, you're able to do, ma?
I sent you all the answers.
Done, ma? Ma, was the geometric sequences homework easy, ma?
I got confused.
Which one? On the
I
geometric
didn't,
sequences?
yeah, I didn't understand it much.
Okay, please, we'll go ahead and do that. Did you have any questions on book page numbers?
I just didn't get the lesson much after class.
Oh, no problem. We'll go through that, ma. Not at all a problem.
Okay.
Last time, good job. Can I move on, guys? We have 6, I think, overall. Good, guys. Okay, so these are good, right, ma? These questions are good, right? Lasya and Adyan, these questions are good, right? Till this you have understood, right? Exponents
Yeah.
and radicals.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good. Let's do step by step. No hurry at all. Are you able to, ma? Yes, Adyan. Till 3 it's right. We're doing the fourth one, right? Lasya, are we doing the fourth one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you got it, Adyan. That's nice. Let me know if I can help, ma. This level only will come for end of course exam.
Let's go down to the next question.
What, ma? Go
Can you
ahead.
scroll down?
Oh, you did this? Okay. Last year it's not division, right, ma? It's not division, right? Last year here.
Miss Priya, I can't see the wait, is 2x to the power of 8?
2x power of 8.
Okay.
Last year, I think you made a mistake here, right? Last year.
It's
3. Check again.
I see. Is my answer right now?
Yes, ma.
Well, Miss Priya, what about mine?
1 second. Keep going. Keep moving to the next one. So, fourth, I have to write it as fifth, right? 1 minute, Adyan. This is fifth. I'm just reviewing topics of old from end of course practice exams, ma. Go ahead. Yeah, ma. Last year, Adyan, good job. Nice to see you guys. You all getting so geometric sequences we'll go over again last year. Is that okay? As long as you guys, if you guys don't get it, there's no point. It's such a small class, your class. Are you able to do, or Madhu, if you need help, immediately raise, because I'm sitting just like that. I don't want to take a week last time.
I sent you my answer.
Okay, good. Okay, next come Adyan, can I move on to the next question? See, next question as well, I made it visible for you.
I sent the fifth answer, the fifth
Okay.
question.
Oh, good. Then last one, ma, this one. So we are good, right? Whatever we have covered till date seems good. Okay, the last one is arithmetic sequences. Because it's an addition value, so it's arithmetic sequences. So do that. I'll be back. We'll slowly study geometric sequence. Done, Nama? Yes, Lasya. I got your answer, Lasya.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer too.
Okay, guys. A, yeah. How come A, Adyan? Why A? Adyan, go through the last problem. Is it that difficult? See,
Wait,
A1 is 5. If you substitute 5 in here, this is, if you substitute 5 in here, A1, see,
mhm,
A1 is 5 means, then we are calculating A2. What is A2? A2 will be equal to minus 3 plus 5, 2,
mhm,
correct? So a term
mhm.
has 5 comma 2. Which is the answer?
Oh, B.
You got it?
Uh, yeah, I got confused because it was blurry and I couldn't see it.
What is blur? Is it blurry, ma, Lasya?
Like,
No, you have to let me know. I didn't tell me.
like the exponent before,
Okay. You
on
were not able
bottom.
to see. I got it. Okay, hereafter I'll write down. Adyan, ask Adyan if that's the case. Okay.
Okay.
Coming to geometric sequence. Lasya, which question confused you? Can you tell me in the book?
Not the question. I just need an explanation of the topic again.
Okay, no problem at all. Can we go over that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So basically, guys, let's go back to geometric sequences. We will revise once more. Okay, so basically, arithmetic sequences differed by a common difference, right? Suppose the first term, second term, third term. First term is 2, second term is 6, third term is 18. Do you see a pattern? This is the input, this is the
It's
output.
multiplying by 3 each time.
Um, yes. So it's more like multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Does that make sense? So here I define a common ratio as successive term by the previous term. Does that make sense? We'll take it slow, ma. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, guys?
Yeah.
Now, every successive term, the G2 is obtained by multiplying the first term. This is the first term, right? Times the common ratio. Does it make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
Suppose if I want to go to G3, what will I do? Suppose if I want to go to G3 from G1, what will I do? G1 times, you have to tell me,
Common ratio.
Ratio to the power of 2.
Yeah.
common ratio times common ratio, right? So I can
Mhm.
write this out as G1 times ratio power 2. If this is 3, the power will be 1 less. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so the general formula for a geometric sequence, is written as the first term times r power of n minus 1. Makes sense, guys?
Hmm.
Does it make sense? Can I move on?
Yeah.
Okay, so in a geometric sequence, you know what? I have to charge geometric sequence. In a geometric sequence, let me give you the explicit rule and the recursive rule. Recursive rule is, what is the recursive rule? The nth term will be equal to n minus 1 term times r. Make sense? Explicit rule is, make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Lasya, did you get it? Lasya, are you
Yeah.
using what we learned here at school, Lasya?
Yeah.
Are you able to use it productively?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know.
Wait, Miss Priya, can you keep this on the board so I can write it down?
Yes, absolutely. 1 minute, wait.
Thanks.
1 minute, wait. Uh-huh. Are you able to see now? Okay. Now, there is a sequence in here. Do you see the sequence in here?
Yeah.
Can you write out the explicit rule for this? See, okay. You remember the question is, write the explicit rule. Got it? You have to write it as f of n. So here this should be numbers. Again number, power, n or n minus 1 or whatever. You got it?
Yeah.
Meaning explicit rule in terms of n. I'll go bring the charger. You guys try it out. You have the explicit rule written down. Find the common ratio. You're able to write it down, guys? Are you able to write, ma? Are you able to? Hey, you have to respond, right? Are you able to write down the sequence
Sent.
formula?
I sent it to you.
Yeah.
Good job, Lasya. Okay. Adyan, did you send it? Adyan, did you get it?
I just sent it.
What is R? Adyan, you have to simplify and send it, right? You're asking me to simplify?
Oh,
What is f of 1? What is 5 minus? See,
so, uh-huh.
Adyan, you're not doing the right way. Okay, let me show you. Did you try doing your homework, Adyan?
Mm-hmm.
See, you have to think about this.
Mm-hmm.
Write the explicit rule, right? What is the first term, Adyan?
5.
5. Just put in 5, right? Put in 5 here.
Uh-huh.
Times, what is the common ratio, Adyan?
3.
Yes.
Wait. Yeah.
Power of n minus 1. This is the explicit rule. Make sense?
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see. Last year, now you're able to see through geometric sequences better.
Yeah.
Okay, how about this? But okay, let me go through that. See, here, guys, the first term is the first term, right? So if you do n minus 1, it has, see, okay, in that itself, I should not have erased it. I'm going to move back and show you something. In this case, right, whenever I write the explicit sequence, right, clearly the sequence, right, the sequence started with what? 1 and 5. 2 and what was the second term, ma?
15.
50. Now, if this is the case, right, guys, when you see it, this is n f of n. So, n starts with 1, correct? There is a n minus 1 used, right? So, we don't have, when you think about it, we don't have zeroth term. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
If I put in f of 1 here, I see whatever is given here is it starts with the first term. As a result, since n minus 1 is used, right? N minus 1 means the lowest n value has to be 2. So I put out the restriction as n greater than or equal to 2. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah, if I suppose if I put, let's say, if I put here 1, okay, what would happen? It would get into the zeroth term. I don't want all that. So whatever is given here, the lowest value of n, since we use n minus 1 in the expression, go ahead with n is greater than or equal to 2. Make sense? Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. How about this, ma? With the restrictions you're going to write now. Can I take it that you will write it out with the restrictions? Okay, let's see. How about this? If you're not able to see, you'll let me know, right, Amma? Okay. Let's see this problem. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Can you make it a little bigger?
Absolutely, ma. That's why I asked you. The shutter speed, let me write it down here. Adin, are you able to see?
Yeah.
Lasya, you're able to see what I'm writing?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys have to think out loud. I don't want you to think out by yourself. Think out loud with me. How can I start this problem? The question is, it's given. There are two terms of a sequence given. Okay, what you need to do is identify. Oh wow, okay, wait. I want you to find out the shutter speed. Okay, write the explicit rule. Write the explicit rule. Can we write the explicit rule?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. You're able to do, ma, Lasya? Oh wow, impressive, Lasya. Now you, Lasya, was this the one that you did not understand last week? You said, huh? You mute. I'm not able to hear you, ma. Wait, let me see whether I'm muted. I'm not muted. Okay, good job. Adyan, did you get it, Adyan?
I was still solving it. I found the common ratio,
What is
but
that, ma? What
1
is
by
that?
4.
Okay, let me write out the explicit rule. F of 1 times r power of n minus 1. Now you don't know what is r. How to find out r?
Uh, First we have to find the common ratio, and then uh, for the common ratio, I got 1/4, and then
Yeah, r square is 1 by 4. See, r square is 1 by 4 because this is the fifth and the seventh.
uh-huh.
There,
Oh
there are
yeah,
two terms in between. So r is 1 by 2, right?
yeah.
This is what you got last year. Wait. Last year, is your answer correct, ma? Yeah, your answer is perfectly correct. Okay, so what was the common ratio? Is it 2 or 1 by 2? Let's see. Is it 2 or 1 by 2?
I think it's 1/2.
I think it's 2, right? See here. R square by 4 equal to 1. R square equal to 4, right? R is 2 I'm getting. Adyan, did you get it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
So 2 power of n minus 1. What is f of 1 you need to find out? See, when you go back, when you go forward, you multiply by the ratio, right? Adyan, you multiply this by the ratio to get the next term. You multiply this by the ratio to get the next term. But from the fifth, you have to go to the first. So what you
Mhm.
will do? Fifth term is 1 by 60. Then see, when you go back, you divide
Mhm.
by the common ratio. Makes
Yeah,
sense?
yeah, and then so you have to multiply it.
Yeah,
Uh,
1 by 60 times 1 by 2, 1 by 120. Makes sense, Adyan? 1 by 120 divided by 2 is 1 by 120 times 1 by 2, 1 by 240.
yeah,
Makes sense?
yeah.
G
That
1 by
uh,
240 divided by 2. 1 by 240 times 1 by 2. It is 580. Makes sense, Adyan? Then
yeah,
G1 is 1 by 580 divided by 2. 1 by 580 times 1 by 2. 1 by 960 is the first term. So you go ahead and rewrite this as 1 by 960 times 2 power of n minus 1. Makes sense?
yeah,
That's it. Can we move on? Okay, Adya, the last year, are you good? You're good? Okay, let's see this one. You're going. Can I leave it to you to do by yourself? I'm wondering. I don't know, ma. If you don't understand, then we'll do. Okay. Otherwise, I feel like you can do these. Let's see. Let's see. These are more of word problems. We'll try. If you're not able to see, then I'll help. Otherwise, I want you to do. Okay. It's an easy one though, but let's see. But you have to think a little bit, ma, here. Is it too small, ma?
yeah,
The beam loses 1% of power. Okay, every time it reflects off a mirror. Pn is a function of number of reflections. Make sense? Then what is n, ma? What is n? N is the number of reflection. Make sense? So it's a geometric. Okay. Now let's see how to write out the formula. Here, let's say reflection number 1, n and p of n. Okay. Now, the laser beam output, when we started, what is the amount of power we had? When we started, what is the amount of power we had? What is the amount of power we had? 5. Good job. Nice. Okay. When we went to the second one, what happened to the what happened to the power? It loses 1% means what number should come here? How do you get that? It loses 1% of the power. So what should I do to 5? What should I do to 5 to get that? Hmm?
Divide by 100? No,
No.
that gives you what 1% is.
Yeah, 1% is 0.01, but it loses that. So what will be the power? Adyan, you can as well answer. Seema,
I'm
if
off.
if it loses 1%, what is that is coming through?
4.99.
True. How do you get it? See, if it loses 1%, what amount of power is coming through? How much percent is coming through?
99%.
0.99 times 5. You got it?
Uh,
For the third one, what will happen?
uh,
This will
0.98
be
times
this will be the input, and this will get multiplied by
0.98.
0.99. So see here, do you see a pattern coming through? Do you see a pattern coming through? This will be the input power. This gets multiplied by 0.99. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
So f of n will be equal to the first power 5 times 0.99 power what? See, for 4 it's 3. For 3 it's 2. For 2 it's 1. So power n minus 1. Make sense?
Yes.
Did you get it? Loses 1% means what is going through, what power keeps going through the mirror, 99% of what it got it. So it keeps on getting multiplied by 0.99. So the power keeps on reducing by a little bit. Make sense? Lasya, did it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Can we try more problems? Okay. How about this, Lasya? How about this, Adyan? You're going to try this out. I'm going to give you this problem. You're going to try it out, okay? Okay. If I give you this, can you plot it as a graph, ma? Can you plot it as a graph? If I give you this, can you plot it as a graph? You're not able to see, I will write it down. Give me 1 second, I'll be back. F of x equal to 6 times 4 by 3 power x. Domain is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Can you try this one? You're going to plot this into a graph. Do you know how to do it, Lasya? Lasya, do you know how to do it? Adyan, do you know how to do it? Do you know how to do it, guys?
I'm thinking.
You just substitute minus 3 as x value. Find out the y value. That's a coordinate. Substitute x equal to minus 2. Find out the y value. That's the second. You got it? Okay, do that. Let me see. Did you get it, guys? Did you get for -3?
Just wait for me to explain it.
Done?
Can you explain it?
What, ma?
Can you explain it?
What I'm saying is, let's see. What I'm saying is, if I want to plot this, right? This is my y value. This is my output. You all know that, right? This is my input, right? They've given the input. So let me form a table. You got it? If inputs are given -3, -2, -1, 0, 1. So what do I do now? I plug that in, right? So f of x, I'm substituting x equal to -3. 6 times 4 by 3 power -3. 6 times 3 by 4 power 3. Make sense? Guys, did it make sense? Okay. So this one is 6 times 3 times 3 times 3 divided by 4 times 4 times 4, right? Make sense? 3 3s are 9, 9 9s are 81, right? 81 divided by 16 times 2, 32. 81 by 32. Make sense? Last year, did
Yeah.
it make sense, ma? Okay, now f of -2 is what? 6 times 3 by 4 power 2. 6, 3, 3 by 4, 4. Make sense? 27 by 8. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, what is that? Okay, let's see. Is it a growing sequence or is it growing or is it reducing? Is it growing or is it reducing? You're multiplying 6 by 4 by 3. 4 by 3 is bigger than 1 or less than 1?
Bigger.
Bigger.
Bigger. So will the sequence value go up or down?
Up.
Up. You got it?
Yeah.
Did so now if you substitute f of -1, what happens? 6 times 3 by 4. So 2, 3, 9 by 2, which is 9 by 2, which is 4.5. Makes sense? If you substitute 0, then it's a 6. Now when I plot it, what do I do? -3 is a 2 point something. -3 -3 is a 2 point something. Does that make sense, Lasya?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a 3 point something. So it goes up. Do you see? Then it goes to a 4.5. Did that make sense, Lasya? 0 is a 6. Oh my god, it goes like this. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's how you plot it. Can I move on to the next one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see, we'll be working on similar things. Okay, that's okay. Okay, just let me know this one. I want you to tell me whether it's a growing sequence or a reducing sequence. Let's see. First of all, tell me if it's a growing sequence or a reducing sequence. Second one, I'll write it down here for you guys. 6 times 2 by 3 power x. Domain means possible x values. Write it out as a table, you'll understand. Lasya, will you be able to do this?
Plot
Will you
it.
be able to graph it, Lasya?
Okay.
Try. You know what? I just want you to find out the coordinate point for this and this. For this one and for this one. Quick ma. Only 2 points I want you to find out, please. Quickly find out. So you didn't do the homework, right, Lasya, in that case?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Will you do this for me? Will you do at least 3 things for me? 1, 2. Only these 4 points I want you to find out. Make sense? Okay, then I'll give you one more problem. We'll do that. Us. A piece of paper. You're going to do this, okay? A piece of paper. Two problems, okay? Thickness is 1.5 millimeter, okay? Paper is folded in thirds. Folded in thirds means you have to understand what does it mean in thirds. Every time it reduces, the size reduces by 1 by 3. Okay? Right equation for paper thickness. Okay. Okay. First time when it is folded, the size reduces by 1 by 3. Second time your paper is folded, it is again multiplied by 1 by 3. So, Lasya, is it a growing sequence or a reducing sequence? First one. Adyan, is it a growing sequence or a reducing sequence? The number 6 is going on multiplied by?
2/3.
So, is it a growing sequence or a reducing sequence?
Reducing.
Good. So, do 1 and 2. Give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Did you get it, Lasya and Adyan? You're going to let me switch off my video for a little bit. Okay. Go ahead, guys. We'll finish this and then only disperse.
Wait, Miss Priya?
You're able to hear me?
Yeah. Wait, Miss Priya, do the 1.5 classes start from next week?
We can do the we can do this week. Are you available this week or next week? When are you both available? See, since this is a small class, I want everyone to attend. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you available this week or next week?
I can do extra time from next week.
Absolutely. See, good job.
Yeah, okay,
Okay.
I'm fine with that.
If it is a bigger, yeah, Ashwath also will be there. That is also correct. Ashwath also will be there next week. So it's nicer for all the three of you to be present, guys. See, just because you're a smaller class, make sure all of you are in there. Make sense?
Yeah.
Did you get that, Ma? Can I write it for you? Or did you get it by yourself? Did you get this? So the coordinate point is -1, 9. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, the second one. Substitute 0. So it's a 6. Did you get it, Lasya?
Yeah.
Did you get it, Adyan?
Yeah.
If you substitute 1, what happens? It becomes a 4. Make
4.
sense?
Yeah.
Then you plot this. -1 is a 9, 0 is a 6, 1 is a 4. Is it? See the shape of the reducing graph. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now a folded paper is folded. So the starting number is what, Malasya? A piece of paper thickness is 1.5 mm. It's folded in thirds. Means what is the 1 by 3? What is it 1 by 3? Is the?
Common ratio.
Yes. So 1.5 times 1 by
And
3 power n
and
minus n na? Yeah, n, correct. Make sense?
yeah.
You understand why it is n and not n minus 1, guys? Because first fold, substitute n is equal to 1. It gets multiplied by 1 by 3. Did you get it? If n is equal to 1, one fold means it becomes 1 by 3, 1 by 1.5 times 1 by 3. Does that make sense?
So we
So,
don't need.
Lasya, go ahead. What is your question?
I was gonna say, so we don't need to do anything
Correct.
with them.
Yeah, to n minus. Make sense? Whatever is given, based on what is given, you have to write out your formula. Make sense?
Yeah.
If you're in doubt, substitute and see. See, n is the number of folds. So 1.5, before you start everything, it was 1.3 power 0, which is 1. So it was 1.5. The next fold, it was multiplied by 1 by 3. So this is the first term, this is the 0th term. See, whatever is here is n. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, can I stop here, guys? But please log in on next week as well. Can we have the same time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
45 minutes delayed class. Can we have it like that?
Okay.
Okay, guys. We'll see you next week. But please, if you have problems in the homework class here, you're going to message me this week, not come and say, I didn't know. You got it?
Yeah.
You're going to message me in WhatsApp the
Mm-hmm.
problem. I will help you solve. Keep going, and then we'll continue the discussion in class. Not come to the class and say, I didn't do the homework. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye,
Bye,
Miss
Miss
Priya.
Priya.
Bye, guys.